Good morning students. Hi students, how are you mom? Are you fine? Are you all fine? I hope everyone is fine with God grace, right? Okay, in previous class I have started geography second lesson. What's the title name mom? Land and ocean. Okay, land and ocean. So three orders will be there, isn't it mom? First order landform, second order landform, third order landform. In previous class, I have completed first order landform. Okay, first order landform. Today, I plan to complete second order landform. Okay, ma, second order landform. Mountains and plateaus and plains will be there. Okay, this three is included in the second order landform. Okay, ma, second order landform. So the second order landforms are categorized as mountains, plateaus and plains. Okay, mountains, plateaus and plains. Okay, so mountains. Have you seen mountains? Have you seen mountains, ma? In your area also some mountains will be there, isn't it? But in some places the mountains will be there, isn't it, ma? Isn't it? So mountains, it is look like the land, flat land like it is. No, they have the difference, isn't it? So a land form that rises 600 meter, okay, that rises highly 600 meter above its surroundings and has steep slopes is called a mountain, okay, and have a steep slopes, okay, steep slopes are called as mountains, okay, everyone know that, isn't it? Everyone seen the mountain, isn't it? Then mountains are found in isolation or in groups, okay. So some mountains grouply it will be, the mountains will be, it is located like it is, okay. If the mountains extend for a large area continuously, it is called a mountain range, okay. In some area only, the mountain continuously it will be, okay. So that area is called what, ma? Mountain range, okay. Mountain range. So these ranges stretch for hundreds or thousands of kilometers. The Himalayas of Asia, the Rocky Mountains of North America. Okay, so hundreds or thousands of kilometers it will be. Mountain ranges will be there. Okay, so the continuous mountains it is. Okay, so the Himalayas of Asia, the Rocky Mountains of North America and the Andes of South America are such examples. Okay, these are the examples for the mountain ranges. Okay, ma. So the Andes mountain in South America is the longest mountain range. Okay, which one is longest mountain range, ma? Andes. Okay, Andes mountain. Andes mountain in South America. It is in South America. Okay, it is the longest mountain range. It is the longest mountain range in the world. Okay, the Andes mountain. So the highest point of a mountain is known as its peak. Okay, highest mountain, that place is called what, ma? Peak. So Mount Everest is the highest peak. Okay, Mount Everest is the highest peak in the country. Okay, in the world. Okay, in the world, Mount Everest is highest peak. It is. So mountains are the sources of rivers. They provide shelter to flora and fauna. Okay, so mountain is one of the sources of river. Okay. It will flow in this area only it is. Okay, so then the shelter, flora and fauna also will grow in this area. Then tourism is an important activity. During summer, people go to mountain region to enjoy the pleasing cool weather. Okay, isn't it, ma? So if you get a holidays nowadays, corona period, isn't it, ma? So we are not going outside to visit any places, isn't it? We are not visiting, isn't it, pa? So before and all, it is not like that. What it will happen? If you are getting holidays, what? We will go and visit some hilly station, hilly regions, isn't it, pa? Hilly places, isn't it? If we can go, it is very cool. The condition will be like it is, isn't it, pa? So during summer, people go to mountain regions to enjoy the pleasing cool. Everyone enjoyed, isn't it? So nowadays, it is not like that. We are not enjoying, isn't it, pa? We are in home. Okay, so later the changes will happen. Okay, don't worry. So in that time we will go and visit all the places. Okay, ma? Okay. So whether Udagamandalam, Kodaikanal, Kolli Hills, Yerkadu and Elgiri are some of the hill stations found in Tamil Nadu. Okay, in Tamil Nadu these are the places, ma, hilly hill stations. Okay, Udagamandalam, Kodaikanal, Kolli Hills, Erkadu and Ailgiri. Okay, or some of the hill stations found in Tamil Nadu. Okay, so mountains, everyone know that, isn't it? So the next plateaus, next one is plateaus. So plateaus are the elevated portions of the earth that have flat surface bounded by steep slopes. Okay, flat surface. Okay, so this one also, it is in the earth only. It's elevated portion. It is okay, elevated portions. It is in flat. Okay, surface of the earth. Then the elevation of plateaus may be a few hundred or several thousand meters. It is okay, few hundred or several thousand meters. It is okay, flat areas. So Tibetan plateau is the highest plateau in the world. Which one is the highest plateau in the world, ma? Tibetan plateau. Okay, the Tibetan plateau is the highest plateau in the world. So it is called as the roof of the world. Okay, roof of the world. Which one is called roof of the world, ma? The Tibetan plateaus. Okay, the Tibetan plateau is the highest plateau in the world. So it is called as the roof of the world. Okay, ma? So the flat topped part of the plateau is called tableland. Okay, in the top, the flat places is called what, ma? Tableland. Okay, tableland. So the plateaus are generally rich in minerals. Okay, really it is rich in minerals. So the Chota Nagpur plateau is one of the mineral rich plateau in India. Okay, ma? Chota Nagpur plateau, mineral rich plateau it is. So therefore, mining is one of the major activities of the people living here. So the Deccan Plateau is in Peninsula. India is of volcanic origin. Okay, okay, students. So the major activity, the mining is one of the major activities. If one country economy have to develop means, if you are getting more resources, really the particular country will develop. Okay, so it is based on the region we will get. Okay, it is based on the region we will get. Okay, so in the mining is one of the major activities. Okay, in all the regions, or if you are getting this type of resources, really it is developed country. So the Deccan Plateau is in Peninsula. India is of volcanic origin. It is okay, volcanic origin, Deccan Plateau. Okay, so you know peninsula means what, ma? Peninsula. Peninsula. Everyone know? Did you remember that? Peninsula. 3 sides of water, isn't it? Has covered, isn't it? India is a peninsula, isn't it? Islands. Island, 4 sides of water. Okay, ma? Okay, all the sides of water. All the sides of water. It is. So plateaus, it will be like that. Then plains, ma? Plains are flat and relatively low-lying lands. Plains are usually less than 200 meter above sea level. Okay, so in this plains, water really it is the flat and relatively low-lying area. Okay, low-lying lands it is. Okay, lands, low-lying lands. In this plains are usually less than 200 meter above sea level. Okay, so above the sea level, this plains will be there. So sometimes they may be rolling or adulting. Most plains are formed by rivers and the tributaries and distributaries. These plains are used extensively for agriculture due to the availability of water and fertile soil. Okay, so in this plains, it's if any plains side, what if it is good for that land area means they will do the agriculture. Okay, so it is due to the availability of water and fertile soil. Okay, they will do the agriculture. Okay, it is based on the soil and availability of water. Okay, so plains have the difference. Okay, so the plains have been the cradle of civilization from the earliest time. For example, the Indus in India, really this plains in the early period, what it is different. Okay, ma? It is different. What the land area, the man not used for agriculture, isn't it? So later the man know the agriculture, so it is useful, isn't it? It is they cultivated the land, and what they will do? They will do this. Okay, they will do the agriculture. Okay, they will do the agriculture. So these plains are used expensively. These plains are used. The Nile Valley in Egypt are some of the early civilization which developed and flourished. And nothing, students, in the plains area, what in the land area, it is based on the soil, availability of water. That they will do the different type of agriculture it is. Okay ma. So they are most suitable for human inhabitation. Hence they are the highly populated region of the country. Okay, so it is based on the region or the highly populated regions of the world. Okay, most suitable. Okay, in particular area, if it is good for it is suitable for the people means what they will stay in this place. Okay, so the oldest civilizations like the Mesopotamian and the Indus civilization developed in river plain side only. Okay, so the Indo-Gangetic plain in North India is one of the largest plains in the world. Okay, the Indo-Gangetic plain. The Indo-Gangetic plain in North India is one of the largest plains in the world. The plains formed by river Kaveri and Vaigai are important plains found in Tamil Nadu. Coastal plains are the low-lying lands adjacent to oceans and seas. Okay ma, could you understand? So the Indo-Gangetic plains in North India is one of the largest plains in the world. Okay, which one is the largest plains in the world? Indo-Gangetic plains. Okay ma. So in this plains formed by river Kaveri and Vaigai. Okay, river Kaveri and Vaigai side it is. So it is the important plains found in Tamil Nadu. Important plains found in Tamil Nadu. Could you understand ma? Near the land area, the river is river will be there means what it is used. We can use water, isn't it? For agriculture, water is important, isn't it? But at the same time, land also, suitable soil is important, isn't it? So what they will do the agriculture, and some of the water field also it will be. Okay, it is based on the land. Okay, river is very important, isn't it? If you want to grow any water, paddy or wheat, water is important, isn't it? So they used this. The man before and all, the man don't know the agriculture, isn't it? So later only the man know the agriculture. Okay, so the developments will develop. Okay, it is based on our country. What the developments will come. Okay ma. Okay, could you understand ma? Could you understand? This is second order landform. Second order landform. Okay ma. Then I plan to give the book exercises. Book exercises. Everyone take a social book and turn page number 185. Everyone turn page number 185. First one. Choose the correct answer. Which of the following is the smallest ocean on earth? Which of the following is the smallest ocean on earth? The Arctic Ocean. Okay ma. The Arctic Ocean. Which of the following is the smallest ocean on earth? The Arctic Ocean. Second, choose the Malacca Strait connects the Pacific and Indian Ocean. Okay, the Malacca Strait connects the Pacific and Indian Ocean. Option C is the correct answer. First one D is the correct answer. Second one C is the correct answer. Okay ma. Then third one, which of the following ocean is the busiest ocean? Which of the following oceans is the busiest ocean? The Atlantic Ocean. Option B is the correct answer. Okay, the Atlantic Ocean. Then the frozen continent is Antarctica. The frozen continent is Antarctica. Okay ma. Then C is the correct answer. Fifth one, a narrow strip of water that connects two large water bodies and isthmus. A narrow strip of water that connects two large water bodies and isthmus. Okay, B is the correct answer. Fill in the blanks. The world's largest continent is Asia. The world's largest continent is Asia. Dash is the mineral rich plateau in India. Chota Nagpur Plateau is the mineral rich plateau in India. Chota Nagpur Plateau. The largest ocean is the Pacific Ocean. The largest ocean is the Pacific Ocean. I not completed this, but you can mark this answer. Okay ma'am. Then deltas are dash order landforms. Third order landforms. Deltas are dash order landforms. Third order landforms. The island continent is Australia. The island continent is Australia. Have you all marked? The world's largest continent is Asia. Dash is the mineral rich plateau in India. Chota Nagpur Plateau. The largest ocean is the Pacific Ocean. Deltas are third order landforms. The island continent is Australia. Okay, have you all marked? Then C, option C, circle the odd one out. Okay, circle the odd one out. First one, Africa, Europe, Australia, Sri Lanka. Africa, Europe, Australia, Sri Lanka. You circle Sri Lanka. Okay, Sri Lanka. The Arctic Ocean, the Mediterranean Sea, the Indian Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean. You circle the Mediterranean Sea. Okay, Mediterranean Sea. Third one, Plateau, Valley, Plain, Mountain. Valley, you circle Valley. The Bay of Bengal, the Bering Sea, the China Sea, the Tasman Sea. The Bay of Bengal, you circle Bay of Bengal. The Andes, the Rockies, the Everest, the Himalayas. You circle the Everest. Okay, circle the Everest. Okay, clear? Have you all marked? Circle the odd one. First one, Sri Lanka. You circle it. Second one, the Mediterranean Sea. Third one, Valley. Fourth one, the Bay of Bengal. Fifth one, the Everest. Okay, ma? Match the following. Consider the following. I will continue into next class. Okay, students? Okay, ma? Will you study these exercises? Everyone study, okay? Okay? Study, choose the correct answer, fill up, circle the odd one. Okay, ma? Thank you, students.